smile posted on social media. Despite this is there is a sadness hidden that I don't share on social media, and trials in life that I cope with and fight for whenever the time of fear and sadness comes when I am alone, but I cling to God when I have a problem, and I think that I have to fight and not give up on life. Ignore the negative vibes and what they say on social media. Just continue with the challenge of life and be true to yourself. And not everything about our lives needs to be shared on social media. Let's be happy with what we have in our lives. In the reality, I'm a quiet and shy person, loving person, and cheerful, friendly, and I'm also gentle. I take risks in life's challenge, and I don't give up immediately to reach my dream in life, to help my mother, and sometimes I'm sensitive to other things.